welcome to my kitchen. My name is Sherry, and today is Thirsty Thursday, so we're making a drink. That means it is happy hour all day long at my house. And today we're going to be making an Easter cocktail. So before I get started, let me just say, if this is your first time here, you love food, you love fun, you love drinks, you are in the right spot, go ahead and hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you don't miss anything new. All right, so I had to Google for Easter cocktails because I thought surely there's some out there, but I've never made any. And I ran across one for a carrot mimosa, and I love mimosas, so I thought this would be perfect. And I had carrots I needed to use up. So instead of going to the store, I thought I'm just going to use up my carrots and make my own carrot juice because I have this really high power blender for Pampered stuff. So hopefully we can do it in here. It says on the internet you can do it pretty much in any blender, but I think you're supposed to soak the carrots first, and I haven't done that. But I think my blender's powerful enough, I don't think it'll matter. So I have an entire bag of baby carrots that I've already rinsed and drained, and I'm going to put those in there. And it says if you're going to do it in a blender, you need to add about a cup of water. So I decided instead of that, I'm going to add orange juice. I think it'll be more like a, kind of like a V8, like a blend or something like that. I'm not sure. Plus, I think I need a little bit of liquid anyway. So I'm going to try it this way, and then if I need to add a little bit of water, I will. So let's go ahead and put our lid on and then turn our blender on. All right, let's see what we got. Well, it's definitely a pretty color. Definitely pretty. I don't know if it's like juice-like yet, though. I think I am going to, I mean, it's pretty liquidy, but it's not really juice. I do know, though, that I have to strain it. So luckily, my blender comes with one of these things. So it's like a really fine, I don't know if you call it a mesh. I don't know what one of these are called. Anyway, we're going to use this. But first, I'm going to add just a little bit of water to this. Just a little bit. So I'm going to try a quarter cup and see what happens. No, a third of a cup. Third of a cup. All right, let's turn our blender back on. All right, now let's look. Well, it's definitely more liquidy. Let's see what we can do with this. Now, bear with me. This is the first time I've done this. So what I'm going to do is kind of fold this bag over here and then just pour it, hopefully pour it straight in here and see how this works. Oh, uh-oh. Well, my mimosa is going to be a little bit thicker. I got some on the outside. That's all right. We'll stir it together. Oh, cool. This actually works really well. This is the first time I've done this. It smells just like carrots, too. Push it over here so you can see what I'm doing. So we're just squeezing the juice out. Well, this is good to know I can make my own carrot juice now. I didn't know what I was going to do with all those carrots anyway. And I still have more carrots in my fridge. All right, that's probably good. I'm going to go ahead and move this over to the sink. My hands dry. And I'm going to pour this in. I'm going to pour this in here. Just to make it easier to pour into my cocktail shaker. Well, I don't know if it made it any easier. Look at the mess I made. All right, so I'm going to pour it over the ice. I just got some ice in my cocktail shaker. So I just wanted to chill it just a little bit. Especially because the wine I have isn't chilled. So I didn't have any champagne on hand. But I did find some sparkling velvet white. Which I figure, I don't know, in my mind, champagne is sparkling wine anyway. So I thought this would work, but I realized it doesn't have a cork on top. So I'm going to hope that it's sparkly enough. If not, maybe I'll just shake it up with some bubbles in it. All right, let me give this a shake again. Oh, if I can get it back off. What have I done? There we go. Okay. The other thing you're going to need, so sparkling wine, your carrot juice, and then I also have a little sprig of parsley here. So hopefully this is going to look like a carrot when I get done. So I'm just going to fill this about 3/4 of the way full, or maybe about half. My timer's going off for my oven. I love those little timers. I'll put a link to those in the description below because if you don't have any, they really come in handy. And I have several. So it's not as bubbly as I would like it to be. And it probably needs more liquor in it. Let's dump some of this out. Excuse me, that's not quite enough wine, is it? Oh, this is a tiny bit. There we go. That's better. And look at that. It does look like a carrot, sort of. I probably need to trim my parsley some. But isn't that cute? Oh, look, there's the bubbles. Now it's bubbling up. All right, I'm going to take this out of the way for a second. That is surprisingly good. I was really worried. I was worried because I've never had carrot juice on its own. I've only had like the V8, like the blends or fusion or whatever they call them. It has the different types in there. It tastes like you're drinking, you know, a different kind of fruit juice and not carrot juice. So I really like it though. It's pretty good. Now I know what I can do with leftover carrots that I need to use. All right, so I'm going to put this back in here and we'll give this. We're going to take a picture of it. That's what we're going to do. I can't talk today. Anyway, give that a try. And I'll tell you something else you should do is just Google for Easter cocktails because there's a bunch of really cool ones out there. I saw ones that had jelly beans in it and all kinds of stuff. And they're really cute too. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.